Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting a strict wake time and starting the clock on your new cycle. Consistency is crucial. Once awake at 07:00, get 20-30 minutes of bright light, natural sunlight if available, because light resets your circadian signal. Make sure to drink 300-500 ml of water to rehydrate and stimulate alertness, and perform 10-15 minutes of light movement to raise core temperature and cortisol mildly. These actions shift your phase and prime you for daytime alertness and an earlier sleep onset tonight. Next, reinforce the shift throughout the day so your body adopts the new pattern. Eat meals on a set schedule and finish your last main meal about 3-4 hours before bedtime. Timing influences circadian cues. Cut caffeine after 14:00 to reduce sleep pressure interference, and make sure you reduce stimulating screens at least 90 minutes before bed to lower blue light exposure. Once done, add a 20-30 minute outdoor walk mid-afternoon. This provides a second strong light signal that consolidates daytime arousal and shifts night. Finally, execute a controlled wind down to complete the one-day reset. Start a 60-90 minute routine with dimmed lights and relaxing activities. Read, stretch, or take a warm shower, because lowered light and a slight drop in core temperature cue sleep. Keep the room around 18-20 degrees and practice 10-15 minutes of breathing or mindfulness to reduce arousal. If you can't sleep within 30 minutes, get up for 20 minutes and return only when sleepy. This troubleshooting tip prevents conditioned wakefulness and keeps the reset on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.